in our Kamala code. Kamala code. See what our Kamala code does now. Oh, but this might be a problem. We'll see. I've never used the candlestick before. What AI model you use? So I'm using the hidden Markov model right now. Just on day 4 though, so I'm still fairly new. What type of models do you use for time series data? We're trying to predict the states, so not necessarily the price. Predict the regimes. This is based off of some hints that our guy Steve Jobs, Jim Simons. Okay, dude. Same thing. I don't know, dog. Visionaries be visionaries. Anyways, we're using hidden Markov models because Homeboy said he used them. Or his people used them. But it's probably not only the only thing he used. So any ideas you got, please do drop them in the chizzy. Predict states and analyze states here. So this is a hidden Markov model. Predict and analyze states. We're trying to predict 7 different states. I think I'm going to start testing after this one with less states though, because I think 7 is aggressive. Use that. It can help, but in combination with something interesting. So how would you combine it, I guess? And what, like combine it with what? Like LSTM or change? Oh, did you take out? She took it out. Why did you take it out of here? Look at that. Let's see what she said at least. Apologize for the error. The issue is that likely caused by the nature of CDL indicator, which returns discrete values, usually minus 100. Yo, Homeboy said this earlier, dude. Listen to the chat. The chat is where everything's at, dog. The chat is where everything's at. Somebody said this earlier and I just didn't understand it yet. See, that's the thing. Sometimes y'all say stuff I don't understand, and I love that. I love that because then I see it later and it's like, oh, okay, now I understand what Homeboy was trying to tell me earlier. I love it. It's a whole nother element to this game. And if you're here live, you get the same. You're here. Like, you get the same things. And you probably come to even better ideas because you see the chat too. People lead with love around here. This ain't scarcity mindset. Finance, no way, not around here. I know there's a couple scarcity mofos up in the chat right now, but they ain't chatting. In the audience, I say that. There's some scarcity led mofos in the audience, but not in the chat. The chat lead with love. Chat brings all ideas. I apologize for the error. It's because the negative 100 or 0 or 100 doesn't continuously like other indicators. This can lead to singularities. Let's modify our approach. We'll keep Stoke RSI and comma, but replace CDL hammer with a continuous indicator. A good choice could be the average directional ADX. All right, I'm with it. I'm with it if you with it. I'm with it if you with it. She sneaked me though. She sneaked me real quick on that. That's good though. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Let's go. Push me to the limits, dog. Push me to the edge. All of my friends are dead. Push me to the edge. All right. Paste her in. Okay, let's run it. There we go. So Vladimir, what up, bro? I'm glad you're here, dude. Never seen you before. He says use the HMM in combination with something, find state, for example, and then combine with other model XG boosts or some signals. Interesting. Interesting stuff you got there, dude. I don't quite understand it, but I will. So, yeah. Let me just ask then, if you don't mind. Let me ask you a question about that. But the question would be, wait a minute. The question is, okay, so he says to use the HMM in combination with something like XG Boost. Okay, comfortable with that. Find state. What does that mean? Find state, for example. You mean like the regime, like the states? Okay, that's what I've been working on for the last 3 hours, and I don't even know what state means. Come on, Moondev. Come on, Moondev. So we find the state and then combine it with another model, XG Boost, or some signals. So do you mean to predict price after? So predict price in the states. While predicting price is pretty new, and everybody is trying to predict price, is everybody trying to predict price during specific states? There we go. See, now we're a level deeper. See, everybody wants to predict price. I don't know. Is this right? Am I going there right, Vlad? I don't know. Everybody wants